Carson Vicroy.
Had some pretty good rainfall over the last 3 or so days. It was the front that was to our northwest, and then we had that large push of a colder air mass moving into East Texas, and that warmer air that we were having mixed with that colder air that was moving in, that gave us some pretty good rain, really tapped into that Gulf moisture. And here are some examples of that, especially across our northeastern counties. That's where we saw some pretty good rain highlighted in that green right there. But Sulphur Springs, Mount Pleasant, anywhere from about 1.5 to 2 inches. That was what was recorded at some of the local observation sites there. Now in Tyler, we get most of our observations from the Tyler-Pounds Airport. We received just over 1 inch of rain. 1.7, that was our weather watchers report in northwest Smith County near Lindale. Red Springs, Mike Phillips reporting about 3/4 of an inch. Now granted, that report was from midnight until now. As we look further off to the south, Ross Hayes and Natchez reporting about 0.95 of an inch of rain. At the Cherokee County Airport, we picked up just under 3/4 of an inch. And as we move further to the south, some pretty good rain over Rusk and Panola counties. But the Rusk County Airport largely missed out on this, 0.12 of an inch of rain there. An inch reported from our weather watcher in Apple Springs, Texas, and eastern Trinity County. Angelina County, anywhere from 0.04 in West Lufkin to 0.43 at the Angelina County Airport. Now, over the last 30 days, we are running a higher percentage of what we should be seeing based on those historical averages. If we are above normal over the last 30 days, you are highlighted in the green. So the green is good, the yellow, not so much. That means we're below normal, and we still have some spots in Anderson, Cherokee, Rusk, and Harrison County, and also a large swath of the region around the Toledo Bend and Sam Rayburn Lake. So hopefully we can fill those up with future rain chances. Okay, I want to shift gears here because the main story moving forward, at least over the next few days, will be how cold it gets tonight, tomorrow night, and Wednesday night. So tonight we've got that freeze watch that is highlighted in the purple. I do expect at least a light freeze for any county there in the purple. And then for tomorrow night, we do have that freeze watch that's out for our central and southern counties. That means I do expect a freeze tomorrow night, and that's likely to be upgraded to a freeze warning as we move into tomorrow at some point. Temperatures in the lower 40s to the north. Naples is at 43. It's 44 in Pittsburgh. We're hanging on to 45 in Tyler. It's 45 in Lindale. A little chillier there in Rusk, 41 degrees. It's 2 degrees warmer than that in Nacogdoches. We're at 46 in Lufkin, and we've got some 40s in deep East Texas. So for tonight, to the north of Interstate 20, higher likelihood of a freeze. We'll be close in Tyler and Longview, but I don't think we quite get there since the clouds are hanging around a little longer. We're in the upper 30s in deep East Texas. Now, as we look at those high temperatures tomorrow, slightly warmer than what we saw today because we're going to have more sunshine throughout the course of the day. Moving into tomorrow evening, the kiddos, if they're still up, here's what they can expect for tomorrow's trick-or-treat forecast. Lots of sunshine, warm costumes will be needed. Temperatures in the 50s will be in the upper 40s at 7 o'clock, but those temperatures drop like a pumpkin tomorrow night. Look at this, upper 20s, lower 30s. If you don't see your first freeze tonight, you are likely to see it tomorrow night. Here are the next 7 days: 57 Tuesday, 55 Wednesday, 62 Thursday. High temperatures in the middle to upper 70s for the weekend and early next week. Deep East Texas, y'all are not exempt from this. We'll likely miss the freeze tonight, but I do expect a freeze tomorrow and Wednesday night. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to fox51.com. We'll have more news after